Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just tap here to the button shortcuts and scroll a little bit more down. Here you'll see this section in the system control, and just to link the Google Assistant from power button, tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll just check that. Now just click here to turn on, and as can you see, we just activated our Google Assistant. And now you can tap something if you want, and if you want to just turn it off, just tap here on the switcher, and now when we'll just press for a few seconds our power key, we just will enable the other functions, but not the Google Assistant. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.